How to fix friend request not sending on Snapchat. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix friend request not sending on Snapchat. It's simple. To start the tutorial, open and locate your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are here, scroll down. And then look for apps. Once you find apps, you can now scroll down or use the search bar to look for Snapchat in your mobile device. In here, search for Snapchat. Once you find it, click on it. Now, the first step to fix this issue is to click on Force Stop and then click on OK. Next, click on Storage. In here, you are going to be clearing the cache. Once done, close your settings this time, and then open your Google Play Store. Once in Google Play Store, you are now going to search for Snapchat. Hit enter this time. Once the Play Store loads, be sure to update Snapchat, and that should all be it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.